What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate a real estate agency using Claude. So let's get started. So we're going to automate lead nurturing and follow-ups in this video. To automate the processes, we're going to start by creating a skill that will be responsible for automating lead nurturing, qualification, and follow-ups for a real estate agency. To create a skill, I'll click on customize right here, and here we're going to create our skill. So I'll click on add, then click on create with Claude. We're going to use Claude to create our skill. So here I'm going to hit enter to describe to Claude the skill I would like it to create for us. So we are going to tell Claude, create a skill that acts as an expert real estate sales coordinator, lead qualification specialist, customer relationship manager, and follow-up copywriter. Your objective is to help real estate agencies manage incoming leads by qualifying them, identifying buying intent, generating personalized responses, and creating strategic follow-up sequences that improve conversion rates. You have access to connected tools that allow you to read leads from a connected spreadsheet, analyze lead information and buying intent, categorize leads based on urgency, budget, and readiness to purchase, generate personalized responses and follow-up messages, create and populate a spreadsheet with the results, and provide a shareable link to the completed spreadsheet. For every lead, review the lead information, including budget, preferred location, property type, timeline, and any additional information. Then categorize the lead as either hot, warm, or cold based on their likelihood of purchasing. Then generate a brief qualification summary highlighting a lead priority, budget, buying intent, and any recommended next steps. And write a hyper-personalized response, acknowledging their requirements, amending the next steps, and encouraging further conversation. Then generate 3 follow-up messages that progressively re-engage the lead while remaining helpful and conversational. Then save everything to a spreadsheet containing the lead name, email address, phone number, budget, location, property type, timeline, lead category, qualification summary, personalized response, follow-up 1, 2, and 3, and confidence score. If any information is missing, leave the field blank rather than making assumptions. After processing all leads, provide a shareable link to the completed spreadsheet along with a brief summary of your findings. Here, I'm going to hit enter for Claude to create our skill for us. So let's give it a minute for it to do that. So here you can see it successfully created our skill for us. Right here. The skill is called Real Estate Lead Qualifier Suits. Here's what it does. To read leads from a spreadsheet or a Google Sheet. Then categorizes each lead and writes qualification summary, personalized response, and 3 follow-ups. And adds the confidence score. Then outputs the data to a spreadsheet and shares the link for review. This is amazing. So here, we're going to download the skill and install it. After downloading it, to install it, just click on customize. And on skills, click on upload the skill. I'm going to upload the zip file that we just downloaded. And you can see that our skill was uploaded successfully. To preview the skill, I'm going to click on customize right here, and here you can see our skill. You can preview it right here. Go over the skill line by line to ensure that the skill does exactly what you'd like it to do. Right here. This is amazing. Now, after going through the skill line by line to ensure that it does exactly what you'd like, if you wanted to include some information to the skill or exclude some information from the skill, you can edit the skill. To edit the skill, just click on the 3 dots right here, and you can choose to edit with Claude. So here you can describe to Claude and tell it the information that you'd like it to include to the skill or exclude from the skill. But since our skill works perfectly, we're going to proceed and start qualifying, nurturing, and generate personalized messages. For example, real estate leads. To begin qualifying our leads, in Google Sheets, I've created a spreadsheet that I've renamed to Real Estate Leads Spreadsheet. In this spreadsheet, I've added a couple of leads with their data. So you can see their lead name, email address, phone number, budget, preferred location, property type, timeline, bedrooms, bathrooms, financing, property purpose, and some notes right here. So we like Claude to qualify, nurture, and generate personalized responses for each of our leads right here using our skill. So here I'm going to find our skill, and I'm going to tell Claude, using this skill, process every lead in the real estate lead spreadsheet and complete the full workflow. Categorize each lead based on their budget, timeline, sync status, and overall buying intent. Then generate a qualification summary, a hyper-personalized response, and a sequence of 3 follow-up messages. Then save the results to a new spreadsheet with the following columns: the lead name, email address, phone number, budget, preferred location, property type, timeline, lead category, qualification summary, personalized response, follow-up 1, 2, and 3, and confidence score. Once processing is complete, provide the shareable link to the completed spreadsheet along with a brief summary of your findings. So now, for Claude to qualify our 4 leads right here, I'm gonna hit enter right here, give it a sec, and then give it a second for you to do that. So here you can see it's successfully qualified and generated follow-up emails for our 4 leads right here. This is incredible. So it paused correctly 14 clean columns per row for 4 leads, 0 skipped. Here is a breakdown. So 2 were classified as hot and 2 were classified as warm. Here are the top priorities to follow up today, and here are the notes for the other 2. And here you can see more additional notes for the leads. This is incredible. So now to preview our qualified real estate leads spreadsheet, I'll open this link. When we open our spreadsheet, you can see our 4 leads right here. Here the lead name, email address, phone number, budget, preferred location, property type, timeline, lead category, and then here you can see the qualification summary that is generated for 4 leads right here. And you can see the personalized response emails, so we can send them right here. And here you can see the first follow-up email, second follow-up emails, and the third follow-up emails that we can send our leads. And here you can see the confidence score. This is amazing. So we successfully qualified these leads that we added to the spreadsheet, and added the qualified leads with their qualification summary, personalized response, and follow-up emails to the spreadsheet. Using the skill that we created right here in Claude, we can try qualifying and generating personalized responses for 4 more leads that I've added right here. So here you can see we updated our spreadsheet with the 4 more new leads. You can see their names, email address, phone number, budget, location, property type, timeline, bedrooms, bathrooms, financing, property purpose, and a couple of notes for you to use to qualify our leads. Now to qualify our leads using our skill, I'm going to reuse our prompt right here. So I'll copy it and I'll paste our prompt right here so that we're using our skill. Then I'm gonna hit send. So here you can see successfully new leads that we added to this spreadsheet right here. This is incredible. So here you can see the top priority right here. So 2 of the leads were hot, were qualified, were classified as hot. 1 was classified as warm and 1 was classified as cold. You can see the top priorities of the leads that we can follow up today. It also includes this additional brief summary of our leads. This is really incredible. So to preview our leads and their qualification data, we're going to open this link right here. Now when you open our spreadsheet, here you can see our 4 leads with their qualification data. So here you can see their name, email address, phone number, budget, location, property type, timeline, category, qualification summary for each of our lead. You can see this was for Olivia, this one's for David, and this one was for James. Then we generated personalized responses for the leads, each and every single one of them. So this was for Sophia, then Olivia, David, and James. Then here you can see the fast follow-up emails that we can send each and every single one of them right here. Then you can see the second follow-up emails that we can send each and every single one of them. Then the third follow-up email that we can send Then the third follow-up email that we can send each and every single one of our lead. And then lastly, we added their confidence score. This is really impressive. So we succeeded in qualifying our 4 leads that we added to a spreadsheet, then generated personalized responses with 3 follow-up emails using the skill that we created here in Claude. We can try qualifying the last batch of leads one last time using our skill. So I'm going to reuse our prompt right here. Then I've gone ahead and updated our spreadsheet, our real estate leads spreadsheet with 4 more new leads. So you can see their names, the email address, phone number, budget, location, property type, timeline, bedrooms, bathrooms, financing, property purpose, and notes right here in this spreadsheet. So now to qualify these leads automatically using our skill, we are going to reuse our prompt. Here we're going to make sure we're using our skill. Then I'm going to hit enter right here. Give it a few seconds for it to qualify our new leads. And here you can see successfully qualified our new batch of leads that we added to this spreadsheet right here. This is awesome. So we can see 1 was classified as hot, 3 were classified as warm. And here you can see the top priority of the leads that we can follow up with today. And here you can see additional information of these of the one lead was warm in the low end. This is incredible. So I'll preview our leads data. We're going to open this link right here. You can see our third batch of leads that we qualified and generated personalized responses for them. So here you can see the leads names. So these were the same leads with the one that we added to our real estate leads spreadsheet right here. So you can see the names, email addresses, phone number, budgets, location, property type, timeline, lead category. Then you can see the qualification summary that we generated for each lead right here. Then you can see the personalized responses that we generated for each lead right here. So this one was for Ava, this one was for William, Daniel, and Mia. And here you can see the follow-up emails that we generated for the lead. So here are the first follow-up emails that we can send each lead. And then here is the second follow-up email that we can send each lead. And here you can see the third follow-up emails that we can send each lead right here. And lastly, you can see their confidence score. This is incredible. So we're assuming these leads are coming from our website. So they basically filled in our form that we have on our website with these different fields right here. And then we're grabbing the data from a CRM or from a spreadsheet similar to this one right here. Then passing it through Claude using our skill right here to qualify the leads. Then we are outputting their qualification data to a spreadsheet similar to this one right here, where we are outputting their name, email address, phone number, budget, location, type, timeline, category, qualification summary, personalized response, and their follow-up emails right here. So we successfully qualified and nurtured these leads, and then added their qualification and their personalized responses to this spreadsheet right here automatically using the skill that we created right here in Claude. This is how you can automatically qualify, nurture, and generate personalized responses for a list of real estate leads added to this spreadsheet using the skill that we created right here in Claude. Now, if you'd like help automating manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business or your agency, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those manual tasks for you. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.